G'day, how we going? It's just before 6, Saturday morning. We're out for a I'm not even awake. I can get my coffee here. We're out for a morning sunrise fish today instead of a late night one. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for a bit more of the sun to come out. I'm gonna have a bit of my coffee. Oh, I think it'll be there in the morning. So we're back here at the Hovell Creek spot once again. I know we've hit it pretty hard in the last couple of weeks, but we're gonna give it a go, see what the bite's like in the morning versus at night. Feel we might get a few eels up first and then move on to the usual suspects, carp, this, that and the rest. So yeah, we'll get you up on the chest. We'll get out there, start getting the tackle at the back of the ute, and I'll make our way down. Alright, thank you, let's do this. Let's do this! Now that we got a relatively enough light, so we got two here. I had a paternoster running out over there, and a running sinker flicked under the bridge. Phil's got, what, two paternosters? One out into that, I'll show my camera if I can doing its thing. One out into that little opening there that goes into a bit of a pool at the back, and then that one more or less similar to mine. So now we've gotta wait. There has been a little bit of movement on the water, so it's just a matter of time. Pretty sure all four have got Janjuk worms on, so they haven't let us down yet. I don't think we've had a fishless trip using the old Jannies, and we might be getting a bite here, so beautiful. Alright, let's do it. We got our first bite of the morning. It was a bit of a different bite. It was more of than a bite, but something. I do know if you get carp swimming, they'll often swim over your line. It does that kind of pull. Nah. She said no today. She said no today. We're gonna sit back down. We've been here not even 5 minutes, so no complaints. Standing right. Me and Phil have just noticed, and I don't know how well you can see that, but right there, that's a rod tip pointing out of the water. I'm gonna that's crazy. What? Whee. It's in there bloody good. What? Can't be a whole rod, it's not that deep. Now it's gone. I reckon it was a rod. Yeah. A section. Now, well, I thought I just got a free rod then, but I think someone was fishing and broke their rod in here. I want to know what broke his rod and catch it. Oh, that was my update. Good chat. Bikes again. Come on. As soon as I put it down, walked away. Doot doot doot. Makes me look like a liar. Oh, hey, there we go. I know what I think I got.
Mud
Eel, mate.
That's a decent one.
Yeah, yeah.
Which way are we going here?
We'll go right here. Beautiful. Have a go. That is a decent one. I'm fucking up lines here. There we go. That's a nice, decent one. Alright, I'll take care of this. The hook just looks like it's just in the lips, so we may pull them out nice and easily, which is what I prefer if I can. Taking care of business. Oh yeah, nice and easily hooked. I say, hey. Oh, you just made my rod very yicky. These guys are you want to stop? Want to relax? You're not doing me or you any favors. Oh, fuck you. Snap my hook. Well, he's gonna find his way. There we go, beautiful. Snap my entire hook off. And by snap my hook, he made a mongrel mess of it, but that's okay. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. We're on the board. Nice. Lights, we're on. Is it? Oh. Whop, whop, whop. Almost pulled your worm off too. That's all right. I'd say we're about 15, maybe pushing it 20 minutes in, so couple bites, eel in, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Getting twitches. Yep. Oh, I reckon you might be onto something. It's looking good. I have a feeling these fish just like to make us look like liars sometimes.
It's like yours, you pick it up and you...
Ah, it's a duck. Almost tackle your worm. They gaslight you. The fish here gaslight you. That's okay. Hey, there's a duck. Anyway, pigeon. We're on. I'd say we're off. That was disappointing. That was a quick on, quick off. We're gonna tell you know why.
Oh, you tied that on well.
Because I tie my hooks like I tie my shoelaces, I reckon. I'll put a new hook on. That felt carpy, but that's a good sign. I'm gonna
learn how to tie a hook.
Yeah. Thanks mate.
No worries.
Again, same spot, same ghost fish, I'm calling it. Hey. You're gonna tap on. Yeah, give me this one. Oh, I'm trying to find the handle. I realised you fishing correctly.
Oh, right.
In my tackle bag, I have a box of worms. He was on, but he wasn't. Oh, not even joking. I felt it was pulling. I could feel it in my hand going like this. But I pulled on it. It was no. No go. There you go, mate. Yeah, my tackle bag. There's a hooker. There's a box of hooks if you want them.
Oh, okay.
It might make it easier for you to hook up the fish. Yeah, no worries, mate. It's a day of many bites, not many fish. That's okay. Boop. Hey, Ben. I go to the car for 2 minutes, and this bloke. Is the carp still on? Nah, it's not on, mate. Because your sinker's right here. Did you get it?
Oh, you got the carp?
Yeah.
I thought it was...
I'm fucking messing around over there. Ooh, there we go. One carp. Little bastard. I thought he was telling me it was still on the bloody line.
No.
Oh well, nice. I need to not, maybe I just need to go away and you can catch fish.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's the plan. Beautiful. Yes, I know where I stand. Hey, Phil? Yeah, you catch a fish on that. We'll sort this mess up and we'll be back. I don't know if you can see that up there in the sky. It's 2 eagles. There he is, flying up. No idea if you can actually catch that, but big bird. Anyway, back to the fishing. It's been a bit quiet the last probably what, hour, I'd say. A bit quiet.
Yeah.
Just a few bites. but there's still a few hours left to go. So still confident we can pull one in, but we've got one eel, one carp, so it's by all means it's a successful trip so far. One fish each, one fish each, so not at all a complaint. And the spot's pretty nice. The only downside is it's a little bit annoying with the bridge, but the cars would go away. Be a bit paradise, but an absolutely ripper spot over here anyway, at least. Oh, the big bird. Big bird. I was fishing, right? We're fishing, and I've just spotted something with my eagle eyes. Right down on the edge of the water here. Wow, it's very close to my face. There's a small head, a flat-headed gudgeon, a very small one. So I'm going to try and show you. Right here. She's chilling. How cool is that? It's just living its little life. I just wanted to share that with you. Alright, beautiful. We're on, and I was not paying attention at all. I looked over and I was like, where the fuck is my rod? I'm like, oh, panic set in for a second. This has got some weight behind it, mate. Look at all the bubbles and stuff you're on. If you weren't paying attention, you're looking at flat-head gudgeon. Oh, the panic of my rod not being there. It was laid in the grass. I reckon this is a huge eel. That's what I'm putting my money. Yeah. I don't know. It's got head knocks. Like do. Yeah. I'll get up here, give you a bit of space. What? That's massive. That's what she said. What? All right, let's get out of here.
Hooks out of it.
The hooks. All right, I'm gonna take care of this, and then we'll get a bit of a view on it, because it's a bit of a mess. For comparison, that's my hand. Look at the size of this thing. That is probably the biggest eel. That is the biggest eel I've caught. Get her. That is huge. That's a big boy. That's a massive boy. Alright, let's I really don't want to smoke today, so I'm just gonna woo. Yeah, lovely.
Have a look at the rod holder.
Oh, I know.
There's a rag in my bag. Top of the bag there somewhere.
What a mess.
That's it.
Let's try and everything around. Oh, you can just chip that down. I got to put a whole new hook on it.
No, why? Oh,
They got me in the face. In the fucking glasses.
when you was fucking dancing around, I was about to say, like, it's coming on you.
Have a look at the rod holder. It was like this, clear bent. That's the biggest one I've caught.
Yes. Yes, you have.
That was like this. I'm gonna fix up my rod, throw it back out. Beautiful, love it. Well, it's just after 10. We're done. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go find somewhere to get some breakfast, late breakfast. 1 carp, 2 eels, good old Janjuk worms. They did the damage today on that one. So yeah, wasn't as hectic as the last time we were here, but we've hit it a few times, so it's a little bit high on the fishing pressure wise. But I almost lost a rod. Almost lost a rod. But that's it. Next time you're seeing us after this video, we should be up on the Murray River.
Yes, we will be.
Some Murray cod, yellow belly, silver perch, a lot of carp. Hopefully though, no eels. I'm getting a bit, I've hit my quota of eels at the moment now, so I'd like to catch something that doesn't look like a slimy snake. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.